The process of rolling steel demands power and precision. To withstand intense heat and pressure, your machinery must meet the highest standards for quality. This includes all refurbished components and spare parts. Since 1964, the Primetals Technologies workshops in Warren and Cortland, Ohio, have kept rolling mills operating at peak performance. The Warren facility combines innovation and expertise to help you meet your production goals and product quality targets.
We're not just a machine shop. In addition to refurbishing rolling mill equipment, we engineer, design, and manufacture several components for flat and long rolling mills. The MORGOIL bearing is a premier load-carrying bearing in any flat mill. More of these bearings are used in backup rolls for hot strip mills and plate mills than all other bearings combined. We own the product line and 25 active patents related to its development.
Our Cortland facility is your trusted partner for the consistent performance and efficiency of your rolling mill. We continuously invest in advanced manufacturing equipment and workforce development to exceed your expectations.
Whether it's new or refurbished equipment that we're providing, all of our work has to meet strict quality and performance standards. Having the latest equipment is important, but having the right people with the right technical skills makes a huge difference.
We're strategically located in the center of the steel industry in the northern part of the USA. This location allows us to lower logistics costs for shipping heavy components back and forth to our customers. This is something our customers appreciate. And in addition to that, we're committed to manufacturing these products in the USA.
Primetals Technologies, your trusted partner for next-level services now.